Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about definition of pooper, procedure laid down for filing suits in forma pauperis. Definition of pooper. A person is a pauper when he is not possessed of sufficient means to enable him to pay the fee prescribed by law for the plaint in the suit proposed to be instituted by him, or where no such a fee is prescribed, when he is not entitled to property worth 100 rupees other than his necessary wearing apparel and the subject matter of the suit. Order 33, Rule number 1 of Civil Procedure Code 1908. Procedure in pauper suits. A person to be entitled to sue as a pauper has to obtain permission to sue as such by the court. The application for permission must contain the particulars required in regard to plaints in suits, and a schedule of the property, movable and immovable, belonging to the applicant with the estimated value thereof shall be annexed thereto, and it should be signed and verified as if it were a plaint. The application should be presented to the court by the applicant in person, unless he is exempted from appearing in court, in which case the application may be presented by an authorized agent who can answer all material questions relating to the application. The applicant or his agent may then be examined by the court. The court shall reject the application for permission to sue as a pauper. A. Where it is not properly framed and presented, that is, full particulars as detailed above are not given, or where the application is not presented by the proper person. Or B. Where the applicant is not a pauper. Or C. Where he has within 2 months next before the presentation of the application dispose of any property fraudulently, or in order to be able to apply for a permission to sue as a pauper. Or D. Where his allegations do not show a cause of action. Or E. Where he has entered into any agreement with reference to the subject matter of the proposed suit under which any other person has obtained an interest in such a subject matter. Order 33, Rule number 5 of Civil Procedure Code 1908. When the court sees no reason to reject the application on any of the grounds stated above, it shall fix a day after at least 10 days clear notice to the opposite party and the government pleader for receiving such evidence as the applicant may adduce in proof of his pauperism, and for hearing any evidence which may be adduced in disproof thereof. The court examines the witnesses produced by either party, the applicant or his agent, and hears arguments, and after such a hearing may allow or refuse to allow the applicant to sue as a pauper. Where the application is granted, it is numbered and registered and is to be deemed the plaint in the suit. The suit then proceeds in the ordinary manner, except that the plaintiff is not liable to pay any court fee other than fees payable for service of process. Where the plaintiff succeeds in the suit, the court shall calculate the amount of court fees which would have been paid by the plaintiff if he had not been permitted to sue as a pauper, and such amount shall be recoverable by the state government from any party ordered by the decree to pay the same, and shall be a first charge on the subject matter of the suit. Where the plaintiff fails in the suit or is dispaupered, or where the suit is withdrawn or dismissed for default of failure to pay the postal charges, the court shall order the plaintiff or any person added as a co-plaintiff to the suit to pay the court fees which would have been paid by the plaintiff if he had not been permitted to sue as a pooper. Order 33, Rule 11 of Civil Procedure Code 1908. Thank you.